Hi folks, Tim here, your friendly neighborhood STEAM Lab coordinator, coming at you live from the Science Center Science Desk, the Montana Science Center. I'll be doing Tuesdays with Tim, even though it's Wednesday, but that's okay. Things going on this week. Coming up on Thursday, we have a virtual open lab Minecraft EDU. So I'll be opening up one of the ports on our server. And so that way you can play Minecraft EDU from home, not even have to be in. And so if you don't have the right program or information on how to do that, email us, contact us on Facebook, get in touch with us, and we will get you the right programs so that you can play Minecraft from home on our server from 4 to 6 every Thursday. And we're also have started doing a Twitch stream if you're interested in watching what's going on there, and you can check that out at twitch.tv/Montana Science Center. Another thing going on Thursday, after the Minecraft EDU at 6:30 till 8 is our family trivia night. And that is a play from home event where we log you onto Zoom and you get to challenge other teams with your science trivia knowledge. And guest speaker group this time is Zoo Montana. So the Billings Zoo is going to join us and have some fantastic trivia for you to answer. Be sure to register on our website calendar. We're past the point where you can get pizza, but you can still register to play at home. So that is, I believe, $25. So go to our website. Links will be down below. We also have our preschool science club that is Mondays and Saturday mornings. Be sure to register online. You can find it on our website. Go to our calendar and register for that. That way you know you have your spot. Science club is back. That is Monday afternoons. Again, please register online. We have our pre-order available for our next STEAM kit, our Take It Home science activities, and that is the one that I helped design with static electricity. Should be lots of fun. And we also have, next month coming up, is a PIR day camp on the 14th. And this one will be DIY operation. Yes, we're going to show your kids how to operate on yourselves. Actually, we're going to be making our own game of operation with the tweezers and the body parts, so that will be lots of fun. So that is what we got going on. Virtual open lab playing Minecraft Thursday from 4 to 6. Contact us to get information about that. I have to send you an email with links and instructions. Later on Thursday, 6:30 to 8 is Family Trivia Night. Please register. It helps us, and you get to have fun playing trivia with other people. It is competitive. There are prizes. So get your family together, get the smart family members over, and you might be able to win some fun stuff. Preschool Science Club and Science Club happening. Our STEAM kit is available for pre-order. In addition to, there's a few we have. I'm actually looking at Strong Bones. There's still some left to purchase, but some of them have sold out. So be sure to buy them before they disappear. We're only doing like limited runs of these. And then PIR Day Camp for Monday, February 14th. That date sounds familiar. For DIY operation, and the laser cutter engraver has been ordered. I hope to be getting shipping information soon, so we'll have that in time for DIY operations, so we get to play with the laser cutter to make the game board and stuff. It's going to be great. You're going to be 3D printing body parts. A good time for all. So that is what we got going on. I'm going to catch up with you with Wednesday Week in Science next time I'm on. So have a good time, and we will see you at the Science Center.